Alright, pretty. Create your own reality if it pleases you. But just know this. We're not gonna always there, here.
We?
Yeah. Me and Tash, your biggest support system. The two people you've been pushing away to be with your gangster boyfriend. The same one who has never been emotionally or financially available for you.
You know what? I need some time. Alone.
Okay. Take all the time you need. Just know, I won't have anything else to say about your personal life.
That's your choice.
Yes, it is. Oh, and as it relates to your injury, without the proper care and treatment, it can lead to you being crippled.
That never ever happen.
Family not make me look bad, brother. A serious you, brother, me not tell you, man. Yes, sir. Oh. Are that going? Alright, hear me, sir. Forward off I mean, and go down the lane. We'll come meet you this man. A young soldier, man, I don't want him to take the risk thing. Never said. I know if I tell them, you make them stop. Yeah, man, just stay there, man. Alright. 15-20. Good.
Everything good?
Kinda, you know.
Kinda.
Man, them say like a roadblock on the road, so. Forward off, I mean. But I know exactly which part them there. And me go do something, pick it up.
But what time?
And link here and drop it up. Tell them, say, give me about 15-20.
Alright, you and me I suggested. Come can get the rose then.
You know what's going on. You know, like a sister, send them. She have like a supplier out here, but deal with it, see? So just go and send it down, tell you which part you can get them. See? But just make sure it's at the roads them you're going over there. See? Because if police go so bang and run in the yard, don't make them find a deal in their house.
At the rate you're going, it seems like that you want to happen. By the way, did you tell Tash about any of this?
About what?
The possibility of what might happen to you if you don't do the surgery.
No. She don't need to know about that.
Are you serious? She is the one booking the shows for you. She has a right to know. You know what? Do you think, Princess? If you need me, you just call me.
Philip. Philip?